Hey guys, let's see how to make simple grass using particle system. First, delete default cube. Press Shift A, add plane. Go to material, add new material. Go to base color, change to image texture. Click open and add grass image. You can download it on internet. Now go to particle system. Change to hair, click advance. Change the hair length to 0.04. To make slight bend, go to particle system, physics, set the Brownian value to 0.004. Now you see the slight bend like grass. Go to render tab, change EV to cycles. I add an environment in world settings for lighting and sky. Change to render view. Now you can see the grass are so thick. To change thin, go to particle system, in hair shape, change diameter to 0.0008. Now it look like grass. Now increase the number in emission which your PC can handle. I set 500,000. We created the grass using particle system. Now I'm setting up for render. Here is the basic grass. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.